Let's reset your mind right now. Take a moment to sit back or lie down. Let your eyes soften or close. This is a short pause, just for you. Begin with one steady breath in through your nose, and let it go slowly through your mouth. Now again, inhaling deeply, and exhale longer than you think you need to. Let the day slow down behind you, and imagine yourself arriving gently in the middle of the Hoh Rainforest. Feel the quiet first. It's deep, soft, surrounding you like a thick green blanket. Your feet rest on spongy moss. It rises and falls slightly as you breathe. The air smells earthy, like cedar, wet leaves, and clean soil. It's cool, but not cold, like a soft breath on your skin. You begin walking slowly down a fern-lined trail. Every step presses into the ground with a quiet hush, like your thoughts sinking gently into the forest floor. Take a slow breath in. Feel it fill your chest and release it all the way out. Above you, the trees stretch impossibly tall, ancient trunks covered in lichen and slow-growing moss. Filtered sunlight flickers down between the leaves, dappling your face. You hear only the gentle drip of water landing on leaves, the occasional call of a bird somewhere high above, and the steady rhythm of your breath. Let yourself stop walking now. Simply stand or sit here in the clearing, held by the quiet green around you. Breathe in and out. There is nothing to click, nothing to choose, nothing to fix here. Just this forest, this breath, this moment. You are safe to pause. You are allowed to rest. Now let's focus on our breath. Breathe in and out. Again. Out. Good. Now take one final deep breath in. Hold it gently and exhale with ease. Rest here and allow your breath to gradually return to normal. Let your awareness come back to your body, to the space around you, to where you are now, and know you can return to this quiet place anytime. Welcome back. If this helped, I'd be honored if you'd subscribe. Namaste, my friend.